Suspect in the murder of Bishop Clary James Okonkwo apprehended in Okuzu, Anambra State. Nigerian police have arrested a key suspect in the brutal murder of Bishop Clary James Okonkwo, also known as Bishop Clarence Chinedu Okonkwo, founder of End Time Reconciliation Ministries. The suspect was apprehended in Okuzu, Anambra State, as part of a swift intelligence-led operation following the bishop's killing. According to reports, Bishop Okonkwo was murdered in his home at Ibuso, Asaba, Delta State. His driver, identified as Uchenna Nicholas Obiagu, allegedly attacked him with a pestle before fleeing with the bishop's Toyota Land Cruiser SUV and other valuables. Police operatives from the Anambra State Command tracked the suspect and an accomplice while they attempted to dispose of the stolen vehicle in the Onitsha axis. The vehicle was successfully recovered and the suspects were taken into custody. Investigations are ongoing to determine if the suspect acted alone, innocent, or in concert with a larger syndicate. The Anambra State Police Command has been praised for the quick breakthrough in the case.
What is your name? Uchenna who? Nicholas. From where? From Olu. What do you do for a living? A driver. Driver to who?
To my boss, Bishop.
Who is your boss?
Bishop.
Bishop. Chinedu. Bishop Chinedu. Where Bishop Chinedu based? Asaba. Which working they do?
He's a bishop.
He's a bishop. And he owns a church.
They do. We get people they come pay. They pray.
Okay. So do you know why you are here?
Yes.
Why are you here?
Then who me for motor one sell.
So you want to sell your motor?
It's not me that want to sell it. I told you they came to carry me. When they came to carry me, tell me say if I did not complete, they will waste my family. That I should contact person.
Who hold you?
Let me say they are kidnappers.
They are kidnappers?
Yeah, they came with gun. They came with gun.
Who was inside the vehicle when the kidnappers came?
They are 4 in number. They came
who is inside the vehicle?
We are not in the vehicle, we are in the house. So they blow horn. My boss asked me to open the gate for them.
Okay.
So he thought that maybe it's his business, people that brought business. So when I opened the gate, they just came outside with a gun. This okra meat with compassion. The next one here, they hit my guy for head. Come for them, say if I don't cooperate, say they will kill me. Now they carry me for motor, open my phone, they search my phone. Say they know my family from Lagos.
Who started the car for them?
They cannot get security.
Not get security.
Yes,
they kill them with who?
Eh?
They kill them.
Now one take come out. We don't they come out today before my guys make an open gate for them.
So you know whether your guy don't die now or what?
No. I say they just they try people then tie my eye. They tie my eye now. What don't I don't know where are they let's see the call them.
Then now why do you want to sell the vehicle?
I don't know they said that I should sell the vehicle. That as they say they watch us like that. Now make I tell some men and wait, they go dey somewhere here. The guy even as the guy they tell me say I don't go call police for them. Because when I call, I tell them say the guy tell me say he get lessons where they now tell my brother say I beg I no want problem. I'm not doing smart just come out. Say he get lessons where they around here. Say those people now police people. Say I go call police for them. I tell them say I no call any police for now. So before I know what should happen, now
where did they drop you before they left? Those people that you mentioned.
For that, my brother they direct me, they come. Then stay with me then.
They stay with you where?
For inside the motor.
But we don't see them there now. When did they drop you?
All of us followed that. They followed me that yesterday. When I they contact my brother.
So when did they left the hotel?
They no lodge. I don't know where they dey.
No where they dey.
Ask my brother. I get outside for that.
How much you wanted to sell the vehicle before?
My brother said person price na 10 million.
10 million.
If I say they go find me something inside, they make I tell them say, what if I go? What about my other? They go to say na me carry the motor go sell. They say make I find my way.
I'm putting to you that you're a member of kidnappers at this syndicate.
Sir, I'm not a kidnapper.
I've told you.